In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on Wix. If you've ever moved a section by mistake, changed a style you didn't mean to, or most commonly, deleted something important, don't worry. Wix makes it very easy to step back and restore your work. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know the two fastest ways to reverse an action in the Wix editor so you can design confidently and fix slip-ups in seconds. Let's set the stage with a simple example. Imagine you're editing a page and you accidentally delete a text element. The canvas updates immediately, and for a second it can feel like that content is gone for good. It isn't. As long as you're still in the same editing session, Wix keeps a running history of your recent actions, which means the last thing you did can be instantly undone. The most visual way to reverse it is with the undo icon in the top left corner of the editor. Look for the curved arrow pointing to the left. As soon as you make a change, Sapa desich, that icon becomes active. Click it once to undo your most recent action. Your deleted text reappears exactly where it was. If you made several edits in a row, keep clicking to walk back through them one at a time. This works for deletions, moves, resizing, color changes, and text edits, and it's a safe, non-destructive way to retrace your steps. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster option. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Z. On Mac, press Command plus Z. Each press undoes one action, just like clicking the icon. This is great while you're experimenting with layouts or typography because you can try something, and if you don't like it, tap the shortcut and you're right back where you started. Press it repeatedly to keep stepping back through your recent changes. A few quick tips. Undo follows the order of your actions, and it works in the current context. For example, if your text cursor is inside a paragraph, the editor will undo typing first. If you switch pages or modes, return to the page where the change happened to reverse it. Undo affects your editing session, not the publish site, so remember to click Save, then Publish after you restore what you need. And if you go one step too far, use Redo, the arrow pointing right, or press Ctrl plus Y on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus Z on Mac. That's it. Click the undo icon or use the shortcut, and your Wix edits are safely reversible.